Good morning, refined investors. Welcome to the channel on this Thursday morning, wherever you are in the world. I wanted to just talk about, and I haven't made a video in a while. I had 6 children. There was a lot going on, and I want to apologize, but I'm back on track. There's a lot to go over. I've just been watching and seeing how many things are taking place. You know what I noticed is that crypto or investing in general is really like a soap opera, right? Little things happen every day. Sometimes they seem big, but at the end of the day, the majority of the things are so small that they move the needle, up and down, down. But you come back in 2 weeks and things really haven't looked that different. So I wanted to talk a little bit about the boredom that comes with making investments. And the people that have made money in markets have done so because they are willing to do something that the majority of people are not, and that is be bored to death, but still don't give up your bags. And that's the truth. Whether it's buying an Amazon stock back in 1999 and holding it for 25 years, right? Or investing in Ripple XRP, or making investments in Bitcoin, or making investments in gold. Doesn't matter, right? Whatever your investments are. And of course, please always do your own fundamental homework, do your own research, make investments based on your risk tolerance, beliefs, understanding, research, all of that. And so, it's very obvious. The people that are selling, especially now in the crypto market, there are two groups of people. There are those who've accumulated so much wealth, especially the old whales from 2010, 11, and 12, right, in, let's say, Bitcoin, all the way through the retailers that can no longer stomach the volatility and the uncertainty. I think the uncertainty is more important even than the volatility. Why is that? It's because people have a hard time sleeping at night when their assets or their finances are tied to something they have no control over. And that's really what unfolds when it comes to Bitcoin, or comes to crypto, I should say, not Bitcoin. So when you look at altcoins now, everyone's been waiting for 3 years for a bull run, and it hasn't happened. And so, look, a lot of people have just sold and said, you know what? I don't think this is going anywhere. Obviously, the Clarity Act isn't happening. Look how they're trying to stall it. And guys, This is sort of the calm before the major storm, right? It's the moments leading up that are so painful and they drag and they feel so unproductive that it really is designed. It's by design. This is architected to get you out. Okay, they know the psychology of the average consumer or the average retail investor. So be wise, okay? Be stoic. In what sense? I don't want to kill the word to death, but you've got to understand the long vision, okay? We'll get into greater detail on some of this stuff, but I just want to wish you all a great day.